Make sure to hit the red subscribe button to get regular content on finance and crypto. How to earn money from Instagram. Who does not know about this massive social media platform that has grown quickly and gained more than 1 billion active users? It is a force to be reckoned with. It began as a photo sharing app, but eventually as the users increased, they started increasing their services. So now you can share videos, make reels, use different filters, and whatnot. A lot of people have one question in mind: that can they make money from it? If yes, then how to earn money from Instagram? Initially, it might seem tough to you, but once you start, you would enjoy doing it. All you would need is a lot of creativity. Over the past couple of years, it has evolved as a powerful marketing platform tool that influencers and businesses of all sizes use to reach their target customers. As per the reports, more than 60% of people use Instagram to discover new products. 80% of people follow at least one brand. Around 200 million looks for a business profile every day. 66% of profile visits are from non-followers. How many followers are required for making money on Instagram? When you think of the question, how to make money from Instagram, the first thing that comes to mind is how many followers are required. But don't worry, the number is easily reachable. There are many factors on which your followers would depend, such as the niche, and how easily you can directly tie it to a product category, how engaged your followers are, and the revenue channels you explore. Various people are making money from just 1,000 followers, but if you can make 10,000 followers, it can be a turning point for you. The more followers you will have, the more brands would reach out to you for sponsorships. For doing this, you would have to build relationships and keep your audience engaged, as that is the only way to attract brands. Make such content that is different from your competitors, as that is the only way to gauge the attention of different brands. When you have enough followers, what extra would you do to earn money from it? Let us have a look. How to earn money from Instagram. Just like making money from other platforms requires an investment of time and effort, the same goes for Instagram as well. Although, it is not that tough, and the best part is that you do not need millions of followers to make money from it. It also depends on various factors such as channels you choose, niche, how engaged you are with your followers, etc. Let's dive into the pool of Instagram to see the multiple ways of making money through it. 1. Become a social media influencer. Becoming an influencer means that you are able to influence your audience and change their opinion on trends and products because of the status and trust you have built with your online presence on Instagram. Once you have built the trust, you can use your Instagram profile to promote all sorts of products from all kinds of brands. Brands prefer partnering with influencers to do sponsored posts as they help in increasing brand awareness about their products. As an influencer, you need to create user-generated content and can also link your other social media accounts to spread the word about brands and products they love. To reach this level, you need to grow your Instagram followers, and you would have to come up with posts that create strong engagement from your followers. Combining Insta posts with other marketing efforts to raise their revenue, such as email lists, Pinterest accounts, etc., can help earn even more money. There are a lot of influencers who make thousands of dollars for every sponsored post. Although it takes a lot of time and hard work, it is attainable for sure. 2. Do affiliate marketing on Instagram. You can become an affiliate for numerous brands and earn commission on whatever you sell through your link. On Instagram, affiliate links can be seen in the form of a promo code or a trackable link. Affiliate marketing is more sale-based than just increasing brand awareness. Using promo codes can be the best option, as you would incorporate them into your posts. Plus, you can earn commission on every sale. Commission can start from 10% and go up to 30% per sale. The rest depends on the mutual agreement between you and the brand, as it can be either a pay-per-click or cost-per-acquisition model. Many people make money through affiliate marketing. All you need to do is create engaging posts so that you can promote the product without seeming pushy. Remember that on every post, you need to state that they can purchase the product through the link in the bio. Try and join the highest paying affiliate programs, as their commission rates are high, so you would be able to make a good amount of profit. You can opt for affiliate networks like Awin, ClickBank, Impact, Share a Sale, OfferVault, Pfly, Max Bounty, etc. 3. Sell physical and digital products. You can also open your online store and sell whatever you like, and this is one of the best ways to make money. You can either sell your own products, or create a store where you can sell products of different brands. Over the last couple of years, Instagram has transformed into a powerful sales creative for numerous e-commerce brands. It is not important to sell physical goods only. Instead, you can also sell photo filters, poster photos, animations, videos, or other virtual products. You can put an exciting caption on every post and refer the readers to visit the link in your bio. These days, numerous people are using Instagram to purchase products. Because of such great response, Instagram has launched various business account features such as the shop button, in-app checkout, shoppable stickers, and product tags, so that shopping can become easy and quick. The best part is that you can launch your business account by linking it to your existing personal account, which makes promotion easy, plus the user interface also becomes quick. While launching your Instagram online shop, do not only contact large-scale influencers for promotion, but also partner with micro and nano-influencers with thousands of followers as well, because they have a trustworthy and a consistent relationship with their followers. 4. Make money through dropshipping products. Just like e-commerce, you can earn money through Instagram, as well by advertising the products that you dropship. The concept of dropshipping means that the owner can sell the products without owning a physical store. This concept is trending nowadays and is revolutionizing the current market. All you would need is a supplier who would deliver your product straight away, which means no hassle of holding a costly inventory of products. Whenever a customer places an order, the supplier would deliver the product directly to the customer's address. Dropshipping renders a lot of flexibility, which is why many people prefer using Instagram as their primary channel of advertisement, because the risk is minimal in experimenting with which items would have good demand. The best part is that using Instagram is free, so you need not pay anything extra for promotion. There are numerous e-commerce platforms where you can launch a dropshipping store, such as Shopify, Aberlo, etc., and most of them are free. It would help if you searched for the niche, and then test which product sells more and continue with it. You can make money with less than 10,000 followers with dropshipping. 5. Provide social media marketing services. By now, you must have realized that Instagram has strong sales potential. Therefore, more and more brands are using this platform to advertise their products, increase brand awareness, boost sales, and reach out to potential customers. For doing this, you will have to improve your engagement rates, create a solid following, and monetize your account. All this can be done easily by posting creative and unique content regularly, and remembering that it should be engaging. You would be amazed to know that more than 25 million businesses and 2 million advertisers are on Instagram. It has built a world of possibilities for e-commerce, and numerous entrepreneurs have entered into Instagram for marketing. Because the competition is growing and social media marketing services are in massive demand, brands need different social media marketing services, which means that if you have good traffic and followers, they might contact you, and if you advertise them well, you can earn a great amount of money through it every month. It would solely depend on the strategies and techniques you employ. So learn from successful online entrepreneurs and be patient, as it would take time before you start making money. 6. Sell your photos online. Instagram is a photo sharing app at its core, so you can sell paintings, drawings, animations, and other image or video-based virtual products. You would be amazed to know that more than 100 million photos and videos are uploaded daily on Instagram. Still, a lot of businesses need polished photos to upload for their brand, so you can even sell your photos and videos as well. As per the reports, UGC is 35% more memorable than other media. Hence, enterprises want to publish content that is created by their customers. Thus, it can be a great opportunity for Instagrammers to make huge money from it. If you are a master in photography, then you can create a business account to sell your pictures and stock photos. You can also list your photos in marketplaces like 500px, 2020, where brands and publishers might license them. While taking pictures, try to be creative, original, and include some fun elements in them, if required, so that you get a good value of your pictures, as they would get more attention than the boring ones. Thus, if you have a passion for photography, you can sell your work on Instagram and make money through it. 7. Sell Instagram caption services. Good in writing caption? If yes, then you have got the answer to how to make money from Instagram. Numerous small businesses use Instagram for promoting their products and services, but only some of them have the expertise to write enticing captions. So they look for creative specialists who can write captions for their business at a reasonable price. If you have those skills within you, then you can sell your services to these enterprises. But for doing this, your Instagram page must be pretty impressive and prove your creativity. The more unique and engaging content you would post, the more and more people would contact you for your amazing work. If you apply for a part-time or freelancing job for writing captions, then it is essential for you to put captions that generate the most engagement in your portfolio. People who would hire would for sure want to see your work. Hence, your portfolio or Instagram account can be the best places to demonstrate your work. Here, you do not charge per word, but you can easily earn around $50 and much more for one caption. The earnings here would totally depend on your creativity plus the brand that you are working for. 8. Promote your business on Instagram. You can use Instagram to promote your business without spending much. A lot of business owners are using the power of Instagram to the fullest for promoting their products. So why not advertise your own product and amplify the sales? Irrespective of the nature of business, you can use Instagram for promoting it. Plus, it also increases customer engagement. Capturing your audience and targeted customers becomes easier with Instagram as it is based on visual content. The response that you get from Instagram would depend completely on the quality of content that you post. Therefore, while posting the photos or videos, you have to ensure that you justify them with the products, as if you are unable to create the awesomeness of your products, then it might have a negative impact. You can create a business account or can also build a shared relationship with influencers to get more popularity and engagement for your business. For doing this, first, start working on effective content, which is excellent pictures and videos, and ensure that they should be engaging and alluring. The second thing is that you need to be regular in posting them, plus put an interesting caption along with them, as it will contribute to the overall growth of your brand. That can help increase the sales tremendously. 9. Become a brand ambassador. Sponsored ads are working great on Instagram, but a lot of companies yearn to create long-term relationships with their influencers. Therefore, they look for brand ambassadors who can advertise their products or brand regularly. For influencer marketing, Instagram is the most preferred and the best place for users to search for brand ambassador programs and collaborate with different companies to promote their products. You would be happy to know that big brands also send free products to the influencers and brand ambassadors to review the product first and then promote it. If you also wish to become a brand ambassador, you would need to have many followers for it. If the brands select you, you would have to sign a contract with them that includes the time duration, number of posts you would upload, etc. But you can earn around $40,000 to $50,000 as a brand ambassador, which is a huge amount. So, if you strive hard and can make a good number of followers, you can for sure become a brand ambassador and earn a decent amount of money by just promoting the product through your Instagram page. 10. Drive Instagram traffic to your website. If you have your own business and have created a website for the same, then Instagram can be a great platform for promoting it. Start by creating awareness of your brand among your followers. Post creative pictures related to your business niche, and use that to allure thousands of visitors to your website. Whenever you post a picture or video, do not forget to mention the link to your website on it. The major benefit of doing this is that your customers would know more about your business and other things that you sell. So put the link in your bio, and this would help your visitors reach your website and increase the conversion rate. You can also mention the discounts, offers, and promo codes on your Instagram account, as that is one of the best ways to attract more and more people. You can also run different marketing campaigns, as that can help increase your followers, as when they get offers which no one else is giving, they would for sure come up to your Insta page and ultimately to your website. These were some of the ways on how to make money from Instagram. But these are just the significant ones, but there are a lot more ways of earning through it, so you can choose one as per your interest and number of followers. I hope you like the content. Please hit the red subscribe button and check out some more of our content on money making and investing.